Go for it.
Hi friends and super fans globally. Old shirt, maybe 1991. Anyway, back on this Wasatch project. I saw you last week. Beard's growing in. Let's talk about something that's very, very important. Shout out to Kelly Starr at My Coach years ago, and his first video, follow me, first video was, he got in the hole. He spent 10 minutes in the hole. The first video Kelly shot, the Big Buffalo, that's what I call him. He shot the first video about spending time at end range in the hole. Now look, you're sitting in your chair and you're all spending time at the office, but how often do you spend time at end range? Well, for those of you that are gonna race like I do and have for 25 years, at some point during the race, you're gonna have to get end range, if you know what I mean. And it's very important to be able to be comfortable in this position. So along the lines of low-hanging fruit, which we've been talking about, this being in the hole is something that I do every single day. And I've been done it every day since January 4th when we put the application in. This and the other video that we shot last week, which was the couch stretch. Another shout out to the Big Buffalo, right? So being in range, working on the ankles and opening up the hips all the way, I can drive my knees out, keeping my bat flat, or if I don't keep it flat, I can be hunched over. It doesn't matter. The point is I want to accumulate 10 minutes. I set the watch, and it's, again, something I want to do every day. This is low-hanging fruit, and all you Wasatch friends out there, and anybody that's a super fan or a friend needs to do this every day. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.